We're on our way to our big ultrasound appointment. We get to see the baby today. We've had one ultrasound that the baby was so tiny that we couldn't really see the baby, but we could see the heartbeat. So this is our first ultrasound, real ultrasound since being pregnant, and I'm so excited to see this baby boy, to make sure everything's okay. I feel good about everything because of the genetic testing we did, and everything came back good. But I'm just so excited to see him. Are you so excited?
I am just jumping out of my skin. I'm so excited right now. What do they do? They just tell us this is normally, or you would find out what genetic or
yeah, this is when we found out what Layla was.
What?
This is what we found when we found out if Layla was a
All
boy
of our
or a girl.
kids?
Huh?
Did we find out what all of our kids were?
Well, with the first two we did at this appointment. With Winston, remember we went to that one early? It was like the 3D ultrasound early. Because you were going to be leaving to go hunting, and we wanted to find out if it was a boy or a girl. You don't remember that?
I remember going and then we missed it.
We missed it and then we went the next day. That was awful. We got stuck in traffic. Logan was with us. And I ended up getting sick and throwing up in a bag that we had. And then we missed our appointment anyways, and the kids were devastated. But I don't think I did a 3D ultrasound with Layla. I don't know if I'll do one with this baby. But I am excited for today. Can you even believe you popped it? Can you even believe how cute the baby is? Ah, I can't stop smiling. The whole time I was watching the ultrasound, and I feel like I felt this way with every baby. It just seems so surreal. It's like, okay, I don't know. It's just so cool to see your baby, and oh my gosh, his cute little face, his tiny little toes you could see so perfectly. Oh, it was such a good day. What did you get?
A watch.
She got a watch. You can show it in just a little bit. Okay. When we left the ultrasound, I had a doctor's appointment, and when I walked in, the nurses said, "Your baby has the cutest little nose." They could tell from the ultrasound, and it just makes me so happy. I'm so excited. Like, I just can't stop thinking about holding him and kissing his little face, and just, I can't wait. Are you so excited?
Yeah, Grandma picked me up.
Yeah, so my appointment was a little later in the day. So Grandma Larry picked the kids up, and that's the best, huh?
But like, right when we went, we found the road, and like it took us like 10 minutes. And then you just came and picked us up.
I know, I told Dad, the kids are gonna be so bummed because it didn't take quite as long as I thought it was going to, and I knew the kids were going to be so disappointed when we got there. But Layla had dance, so we were trying to hurry.
You can tell by my uniform.
Yeah, so it was home from the appointment, grab the kids quick, get to dance. Casey's picking Gage up from lacrosse right now, and I'm making walking tacos.
And my little thing, I crunched them up.
Yeah, this is one of my kids' very favorite meals, obviously. We get Doritos or like tortilla chips of any kind, crush them up in a little bag. Then you make some ground hamburger, whatever your family likes best. And I just did some garlic salt and taco seasoning. And then you just use your favorite taco toppings. We have some shredded lettuce, cheese, sour cream, sriracha, ranch, whatever your family likes. I'll cut up some tomatoes. I don't think we have avocados. I wish we did, but okay, that bag can get a little hot, okay? Yep, and then you just put it right in there. You want a little bit more?
Yeah. Oh, that's hot.
Yeah, it can get a little hot. I was gonna turn this off before.
Want me to turn it off?
Yeah, we'll turn it off now. Layla's not waiting for the boys. She's ready.
Oh,
Okay, come on over here.
okay.
Okay, will you grab the chair? All right, Layla's not having any lettuce. Gonna do some cheese.
Lettuce is kind of gross.
It is
with
not.
this.
No, not true. Some cheese. What else are you gonna have on there? That's
Sour cream.
Sour cream.
But guys, there's never too much cheese.
Okay, I hear you. That's another thing that I've craved this pregnancy, cheese. Yum. And then some sour cream on top.
Yeah.
Great. Here,
Oh.
you put it all in there and then just mix it up in the chip bag. Good job. I think that's probably enough. Okay, I'll grab you a fork. You could also obviously put this in a bowl and use like a big bag, but the kids love doing it like this, so
Love it.
just the best.
If you don't use chips, it's disgusting.
It is not. How is it? Good. Excellent. Chef's kiss. I'm a Cool Ranch girl. I'm always gonna choose Cool Ranch Doritos if we have them. I have my stuff in here. Some chips, ground meat, cheese, sriracha. Of course, I'm gonna add a lot of lettuce.
Hi, you want to
I'll take
bite into it?
I'll take Layla's lettuce. Wow. You're also using my favorite fork. Do you realize that? Do you guys have favorite utensils? I do. All right, shove a bunch of lettuce in here.
There's never too much lettuce.
Never
Guys,
too much lettuce, they say.
Whenever the kid gets the favorite fork, they're the favorite child.
Oh.
So I'm the favorite child.
Oh. Okay. And I'm gonna just add some ranch. This is the best ranch in the
Mom, why do
world.
you have hot sauce out?
Because I put some on there. Thankfully, it doesn't give me heartburn any worse than anything else. I have unfortunately started getting heartburn, which is no fun, but I get heartburn from drinking water. That's how it's been with my pregnancies. If I get heartburn, I mean, everything gives me heartburn. Like spicy food doesn't give me more heartburn than water. So far, it's been fine. It's been manageable. I know it gets worse as you get bigger, but I had such bad heartburn with Gage, way worse than any of my other kids. It was awful. And he probably had the least amount of hair out of all of my babies. I had no heartburn, like hardly any heartburn with Layla, and she had the most hair. Because have you heard that old wives tell that if you have a lot of heartburn, it's because your baby has a lot of hair?
Oh.
That wasn't the case with me and my children.
I'm the favorite child. I didn't get one heartburn. And I'm the longest hair in my family. So.
Oh, you're so cool, Layla.
But
So
you have the shortest hair.
Winston?
Good.
I think Winston's hair is shorter than Gage's. We did trim Gage's hair a little bit, but I'm wearing the same outfit that I've just been wearing on repeat nonstop. These pants, I got them on Amazon, and I've had a few people message me and say that they got them too. I hope that you're loving them. They're the best pants ever. They are maternity. I have showed them before, but they go up higher so I can wear like, I have so many of these tank tops that obviously don't fit. You know, this used to go down lower, and now it's basically like a bralette. It's so short, but I can wear it with these pants because they're up higher. I also like
Mom, basically you're
to wear skirts up high.
filled with lettuce.
I know, 'cause I love lettuce. And then I can just wear like a jacket or something. And I just love it. I know I've talked about these before, but I just wanted to say that because some people have messaged me and said that they got them too. So I hope that you love them as much as I do. Been wearing them on repeat all the time. I should actually probably just get another pair because I wear them and wash them so much. But they've washed really nice too, which is good. And I accidentally dried them. I usually try to hang up most of my clothes and they didn't shrink, or like they're holding up well. That's what I'm trying to say. They're cute and they're holding up well. All right, we're gonna eat dinner. The boys will be home soon and then we'll do some homework. I feel like it's like Groundhog's Day.
I don't have homework until Friday, guys.
You know, you don't have homework until Friday. Yes, you do.
Not until Friday. Do you want me to tell you my memory verse?
Do you know it? Sure. Let's hear your
I
memory
haven't
verse.
said it today.
Okay.
Yeah. fourth commandment. Obey. Wait. So, I think it's obey. Fourth commandment. Obey your mom and dad.
That's your memory verse? That's my favorite one so far. Is that your favorite one too?
It's so short.
They have a memory verse that they have to memorize every week, both of them. Winston's are much harder than Layla's. Layla is doing the 10 Commandments and they've been really, really easy. So that's been nice, huh? Because some of yours have been a little tricky, but they're a lot shorter. Winston's are so long. And he's learning cursive and he has to write the whole thing in cursive. It seems like a lot. I mean, I don't know. Cursive just seems hard. I remember when I was little feeling like cursive is hard. And when I watch Winston writing in cursive, I'm like, Oh, yes, Layla.
I know how to write my name in cursive.
I know you do. That's so good. You'll be ready for 3rd grade already, huh?